All right. Slide 5. Write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So this is, I want it to be pretty straightforward. Make sure, so slope y equals mx plus b. We wanted to do it out in words. That means y equals slope multiplied times x plus the y-intercept. Oh my gosh, I can't type. And I know my keyboard is super clicky, so if that drives you crazy, I can't change it. So in this form, so it's always going to be y equals something times x plus something. The something we multiply times the x is the slope, and then we add the y-intercept. So it's going to be, so this first one, the slope is 3, and the y-intercept is 0, 4. So the value of b is 4. So it's going to be y equals 3x plus 4. Next one, the slope is -2. The y-intercept is 0, 0. So it's going to be y equals -2x plus 0. You don't have to write that plus 0. You could do y equals -2x. That would be totally fine. And actually, that would probably be a better answer. But I'm going to leave the plus 0 in because some people today were really having a hard time understanding how to, like, which parts from those clues, how those match with the equation. So I'm going to leave that because it makes it really obvious that y value of 0 right here, that y value of 0 goes right there in the equation. Okay. Slope of the line is 1/2. The y-intercept is 0, -2. Y equals 1/2 x. And then you could do plus -2 if you wanted to. I like to make it easy for myself and just type -2. Next, y equals, the slope of the line is -4/3. So y equals -4/3 times x. The y-intercept is 0, -1. So it's going to be y equals -4/3 x and then -1 because the y-intercept is -1. And then for this one, the slope of the line is 0 and the y-intercept is 0, 2. So you could do this two ways. You could do y equals 0x plus 2. You could also, or you could notice 0 times x, it doesn't matter what the value of x is going to be. Whatever value you have, multiply it times 0, the answer is 0. So you could just write y equals 2 if you wanted to. Either one is fine. So to write the equation of a line, when I know the slope and the y-intercept, I need to use y equals mx plus b, replace the m with the slope, and replace the b with the y-intercept value. I hope you find this helpful.